Hi future millionaires, welcome back to Debt to Millionaire Daily. I'm John. If you're new to the channel, I'm an entrepreneur taking you on my journey from a negative net worth of minus almost $100,000 to becoming a millionaire. Today I want to talk to you about why I made the decision last month in October 2020 to start investing in Bitcoin. I have a computer science degree where we covered all the technical aspects behind cryptocurrency, so I know exactly how Bitcoin works. They say that you shouldn't invest in things that you don't understand. That wasn't a hurdle for me in terms of cryptocurrency. So I made the decision to start investing into cryptocurrency. Why am I investing in Bitcoin specifically rather than all of the other cryptocurrency options that are out there? Basically because Bitcoin is what everyone knows. The name Bitcoin or the brand of Bitcoin has become synonymous with cryptocurrency. So whenever the general public thinks I want to invest in crypto, they think I've got to go buy some Bitcoin. Regardless of how fantastic the benefits of any other cryptocurrency may be, I think that people are always going to favor investing in Bitcoin. Another reason why I decided to invest in Bitcoin, banks have announced that in the near future, they are going to be releasing their own cryptocurrencies that they design themselves, and they're going to be overhauling the entire banking system to run more so on cryptocurrencies rather than on fiat currencies, physical currency, pounds, euros, dollars. Banks in the near future are going to run on their own cryptocurrency systems. Another reason why I've decided to start investing in Bitcoin is because it has been announced that cryptocurrency index funds are going to become a thing. So people who are investing into pension plans automatically, say through their employers, where they maybe put a few % of their paycheck into this fund, creates a huge pool of capital. Some of that capital is going to be directed into buying cryptocurrencies. So the prices of all cryptocurrencies are going to increase because the whole concept of cryptocurrency is that there is a finite supply. More can't just be printed like with fiat currency. Governments can just print more money. They can just print more dollars whenever they need to inject some more capital into the system, which causes inflation. That can't happen with cryptocurrency because of the way it's designed. So as these huge, say, pension funds buy Bitcoin, that's going to force the price upwards. Finally, recently, in November 2020, I found out that PayPal has made it an option to pay with Bitcoin. So any shop online that accepts PayPal, you can now pay with Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is now going to be much more usable in everyday life, which again is going to make people use it more. It's going to become more firmly adopted into everyday life, which in turn is going to push the price up. Of course, it's a very speculative investment, so I'm only going to be allocating a small percentage of my investment funds to cryptocurrency, to Bitcoin. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Check out the blog, Debt2Millionaire.com. I'm also on social media at Debt2Millionaire. You can watch the Debt to Millionaire journey right from the start by watching the Debt to Millionaire Daily playlist on my YouTube channel. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.